Timer, begin. So you press Effect, Stylize, and CC Glass. Now, the light drop-down in CC Glass is a general light effect added to all shots. That light is just general brightness. You can make the light distant, you can make it pointed. These are all things you can do with every Stylize effect in After Effects. Now, with shading, that light effect can have an ambient, diffused look. You can change how specular it is. You can change if there's a metal look or metal perception to your shot, and even how rough you want that to be. Now, what we really are worried about is the actual surface of the shot. Now, at the beginning of our shot, we want there to be a very low roughness, because in CC Glass, the lower the roughness, the more you can see the grainy details. We also want there to be a softness and a height that's relatively high, and a displacement that's also relatively high. So you have this very tripped out, water-like effect. And then in about 6 seconds, you want to make there be a high softness, a height of about 100 to be normal, and a displacement of about 100 as well. And now watch how these bees go from going crazy and rough to into the shot. This is a really good effect for After Effects music videos, and anytime you just want to have something really look like it transformed into your shot, and I'm sure it would also look great on transitions. Like always, try this out for yourself, press Effect, Stylize, and CC Glass, and practice this for yourself.